वर्षणं भारतः श्रेष्ठः देशनम् उत्कलस्मुतः उत्कलेश समदेश देशनास्ति महितळे. India is our motherland, is the land of saints, godmen, philosopher, and learned men. From the time immemorial, it is giving its light of wisdom to the whole world, and is now improved in the atmosphere. And I am proud that I have taken birth in the country like India. Year 2047 is not just a year. It is that year when India is going to be independent for more than 100 years. And that is what India is called as a Vikshit Bharat. We as the current generation are already witnessing the Amrit Kal, and we are going to see what India is going to be in the Vikshit Bharat 2047. A very good morning to one and all present over here. This is Prayash Pibarik, and I am going to present my views on today's topic. The budget 2026. This budget is very special of its own kind. First and the foremost thing, this budget tells that the power of the Yuva Shakti that compromises the 65% of our Indian population. On one hand, when the biopharma Shakti is going to present the genetically modified different kinds of insulin and other kind of product, making our country, India, at the global hub in terms of bioinformatics and in terms of biotechnology. On the other hand, the schemes of SMSE and the different kind of the small cooperative industry, there is the increase of innovation, technology, there will be the job creation, there will be the entrepreneurship development. On one hand, when we are talking about the job crisis in our country, India, on the other hand, there will be the creation of the job by we only. There will be creation of different kind of entrepreneurship era where there will be more creation of the unicorn in our country, India. On one hand, when we are talking about the orange economy, on the other hand, we should talk about the Khelo India mission, where the downtrodden girls from the so-called poor villages of our country, India, are going to get the chance to present themselves at the international level in terms of Olympics. On one hand, when India is dependent on China in terms of semiconductor, this union budget of 2026 reduced the dependency of our country, India, through Indian Semiconductor Mission 2.0. With the collaboration of IITs, we have already seen how India has developed the artificial cloud seeding technique in our country, India. Yes, this is the power of these IITs. Yes, this is the power of the IISER and IISc Bangalore, where the we Yuva Shakti are proudly making our country a developed nation. Remember one thing, Swami Vivekananda has said that give me 10%, I am going to change the spiritual geography of this country, India. The power, the backbone of this country are we. If we think, we can, we will, and we must. If a small girl from the tribal district, our district Sundargarh, can become the most powerful lady on Force Under 20, then why can't we? If we think, we can, we will. That's all, and thank you.